Is this a teddy bear?
No.
Wow, look at that. Is his tummy hurt?
Yes.
Yeah, he looks like he ate.
has a...
What did he eat?
I named
Look
Isaac.
at his belly.
Isaac.
He's bloated.
He's bloated.
Yeah.
Should we listen to that belly? Okay.
Man.
All right.
Doctor saying no, touch it, okay? And I was Doctor saying no. There's no touch it, okay? I say no touch. Oh, okay.
Yes, please, don't touch. I know. He had bumblebee fever.
So
So he
get
got
me
some
out of here.
medicine, and you got to give lots of hugs and
All right.
kisses.
Well, let's,
Look out.
Now do mine.
well, we're gonna look in this bear's tummy.
Do mine next.
We're gonna have him say,
What
"Oh."
did he
We're gonna look in his throat. Think he ate something? You ready? Can you say "aw"? Say "aw" for me. I saw a bumblebee in there.
You ate a bumblebee?
Making honey.
He ate a bumblebee. You know what you're gonna have to do? Get that bumblebee out.
No.
You're gonna have to tickle him.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Give him tickles every 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay? And at nighttime. Alright? Right before bed. After you take a bath. Okay?
Don't forget.
Don't forget. And that bee will fly out in the nighttime.
Work
All
his
right.
way up.
But sleep with your mouth closed so he doesn't fly into your tummy. Got pink eye.
That's
Oh, I'm glad you said that. That's good to have a little history because I would have thought that was pink eye.
That was red eye.
What's wrong with your dog?
Why? He's
Your dog doesn't like jokes.
That dog is really annoying.
What's wrong with your dog?
He's naughty.
He's naughty.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Naughty people come to our emergency room sometimes. And you know what we do with them? We say, don't be naughty, please. Okay, so has your dog been acting out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Has your dog been hanging around other dogs?
Yeah.
Have those dogs had their distemper shots?
No.
No.
bad.
That's what we got to do, Joe. We got to give a distemper shot.
Oh no, the dog is going to get a shot.
All right. It's not going to hurt. I'm pretty good at giving shots. I don't say so myself. All right. You got the, oh, here it is. Okay. I'm going to give this shot, all right? If none of you like needles, you'll have to look away.
I don't like
Okay.
you like needles.
Then don't watch.
No.
I
You like needles?
Let Mrs. Jingles say you something.
Oh, he's getting it ready.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Is that a big needle?
All right. This needle, it looks kind of long, but they don't hurt.
They're hanging on that dog.
They have a special tip on them that
It's getting wild.
he's getting. Just a minute. We're gonna just give it right. Okay, make sure you sit still, Joe. I don't want to get the distemper shot. You ready? You're gonna give him a shot. You're not gonna poke her right there. Okay. Now see that? I put this magic thing over the needle so that
He's singing. Oh, now he's singing.
He fainted.
he did.
Fainted.
Oh, Joe. Darn it.
He
Fainted.
He
Yeah.
if you just rub his belly, he's like, "Ow!" There, he's back up and going. That's how. Well, I tell you what, keep your dog away from Joe for a little while. That shot should kick in tonight. All right, there you go. All right.